Changes around us. Class 6th, chapter 6, first part. Children, now look at the figure and give some example of reversible changes from everyday life. As the student have given example, melting of ice cream, folding of paper and tearing of paper. Now you have to tell all the changes given by the student, reversible or irreversible. If these are not all reversible, then we have to classify them as reversible changes and irreversible. In the given example, melting of ice cream, folding of paper are reversible changes. But tearing of paper, when the paper is teared up into small pieces, we are not able to get the original paper. So it is irreversible. Reversible and irreversible changes. We experience many changes such as formation of day and night, change of seasons, growth and development in plants and animals, formation of rainbow in the sky after the rain, based on whether a change can be reversed or not. Changes occurring around us, they can be broadly grouped into two types, reversible or irreversible. Now, reversible changes. A change that can be reversed is called a reversible change. Reverse means we get back the original substance. It is a temporary change which may occur due to change in its shape, size, and appearance. In a reversible change, properties of the substance don't change. The original substance can be brought back. And some of the examples of reversible changes we are studying below. First is melting of ice. Melting of ice is a reversible change. The liquid water obtained after melting of ice can be converted back to solid ice by cooling. Similarly, melting of ice cream, this is also a reversible change. Folding of paper. When the paper is folded, it is a reversible change. The folded paper can be unfolded again to obtain the original paper. Rolling out of roti from a ball of dough. This is a reversible change. Rolled out roti can be made into a ball of dough again. Making toys from clay. This is also a reversible change. Children, you play with clay by making different toys. Stretching of rubber band. This is a reversible change. As when it is released, it regains its original shape. Children, you are seeing pick melting of ice cream. It is a reversible change. Folding of paper to make a boat. Paper boat. It is the reversible change. Stretching of rubber band. It is also a reversible change. The process of recycling of water in nature through water cycle. This also involves reversible changes. Water cycle. This is reversible change. Irreversible changes. A change that cannot be reversed is called an irreversible change. It is a permanent change in which the properties of the substance change. The original substance cannot be brought back. Some of the examples of irreversible changes, these are below. First is burning of paper. When the paper is burnt, it is an irreversible change. After paper is burnt, a new substance called ash is obtained, and this new substance different from the original paper in appearance and properties. The ash cannot be converted back into original paper. Cooking of food. Cooking of food, this is also an irreversible change. The cooked food cannot be converted back into original ingredient. Children, you are saying pick burning of paper and cooked food. These are irreversible change. Cooked food cannot be converted back into raw food. Burning of paper, after paper is burnt from the ash, we can't get back original paper. So these are irreversible changes. Curdling of milk. This is also an irreversible change. The curd obtained is different than the milk in taste, and milk cannot be obtained from the curdled milk. Ripening of fruit. This is also irreversible change. The ripened fruit have different taste. Unripened fruits cannot be obtained back from the ripened fruits. Growth in plants and animals. This is also an irreversible changes. Children, remember rolling out of roti from the dough. This is a reversible change as it only changes the shape of the dough. However, baking of the roti on the hot iron tawa, so this is irreversible as it cannot be reversed to get the dough back from it. From the baked roti, dough cannot be obtained, so it becomes irreversible change. Children, in this video you have understand reversible and irreversible changes and their examples.